Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm, if you don't already know. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and follow all of my social media, which I will have linked down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this cool little wall mural. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's super easy. I just went to Dollar Tree and I got 9 of these 5x7 frames. You can get anything bigger if you want to do something like 3 and 3, so it'll be 6. But then I just cut out pictures at my job because my printer ran out of ink. And and I just pasted them in the frames that I got from Dollar Tree. I will say that some of these were acting a little funky, but I mean, it's Dollar Tree, so don't expect Marshall's quality or Home Goods quality, because you're not about to get that. But it worked for this DIY. Super simple. Just watch the video. All you doing is cutting some paper, sticking it in the glass. Get it? If you guys have any questions, be sure to hit those comments. Subscribe to my channel. Follow all of my social media, which I'll have linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. Love you guys.